What's going on, guys? So the next step on the R33 Skyline is put back my interior. For some reason, I wanted to gut the car when I first got it about 5 years ago. I just wanted it to look like a race car. I thought I was gonna make it into a race car, and it slowly became more of a show car. Kind of babied it, and I didn't really race it. I took it on track a few times, but no reason for it to be gutted. Now that I'm considering selling the car, I'm gonna go ahead and put it all back together. Callie's keeping me company, right, babes? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to put the side panels in, and these seem pretty old and worn out. So we're going to take these out and put new ones in so they fasten nice and tight. I'm in the back of the R33. It's really hot today. As you can tell, some of these clips are still in here, and we're going to go ahead and take those out and get these side panels installed. So I'm running into a problem. The fasteners I put in, they're not clipping into the car. I think they're too skinny. Now I have to run to AutoZone and see if I can find any universal clips for this thing, because I'm finishing it today. $40 later, I got this Hyundai Kia retainer kit. It's the closest thing they had, and I'm hoping that one of these things fits. I'm thinking it's the yellow ones up there, but I need like 20 of them. I have a pack of 10 in here. Hopefully some of these other ones might do the job, but we'll see. This is what people that have bright seats, that they don't show you what it's like getting in the back of a car. Even though the bright seats adjust forward and back, it's not enough room for me to get back here. So let's get to work. All right, now it should be easier to get in here and work, because that was driving me crazy before, trying to squeeze back here. So hopefully the clips I got actually fit this time, because this is my third round of clips that were not fitting. Yes, we got it in. So this looks pretty good. I cleaned it and it still looks dirty. Next, we got to do this side. Woo, it's getting hot in here. I'm so happy those clips worked. Here's the other box. And then I have the pieces that go right in here. And then we'll be able to get the back seats in. Alright, let me see, is this lined up here? This one lines up there. Ooh, this came out.
What came out? Why is this on?
Oh, I see it. Oh, yes.
All right. Another one there?
No, we're good. That's it. Now the seats lock this
push
in. Yep.
Okay.
All right, we got it. Let's go ahead and grab the back part and the sitting part, if that makes sense. Okay. Okay. This has got to get in there. Possible. That. It finally looks like I actually have a back seat in my Skyline. It's taking a lot longer than I thought, but hey, it's getting there. Yeah, at one point this car was yellow, so I think that's why this car has yellow seats. Or maybe they were trying to make it look like Leon's car in Fast and the Furious. Fortunately, it does kind of look funky. I have blue Then I have red bright seats and then yellow back seats. All right, so let's check in my Skyline box of goodies. Skyline. Here are the visors. Okay, I need the visors. Oh shit, handles. All right, here's one of them. So here it is. All right, cool. This gotta go up there. Yeah, right there. We got these put in. I don't know, let me focus. There it is. Much better, right? So you guys can see. Looks much better. Alright guys, and that's it for the day. We ended up putting the seat in the Skyline back together. We put the side panels in, but I think that's going to be a wrap for the day. Next up is going to be the visors. The windshield washer fluid caps, they don't fit directly in the hood, so I'm going to have to probably Dremel the hole a little bit bigger so it could fit in there. I think that's pretty much it.